Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Michael Caniel and I'm the CEO of Learn. And this is my CEO message for September 2022, as well as the first in this new school year. First thing I want to note is that it's already the third year into this third decade of the third millennium. So it's just stunning how quickly things go by. Now I know it was a long time ago, but I still remember going back to school when I was young. Having my mother prepare everything for me, getting school equipment and supplies into a school bag. So there was a new bag, maybe one handed from down from an older brother, new smells and odors associated with it all. It was just really, really exciting. It was just new, and it was fun. Now, this year actually marks the 50th anniversary of my professional career. I started off way back, I know, in September 1972 as a high school teacher in Laval. I loved teaching. It was really, really exciting. When I started off, everything was new to me then. New classes, new programs, new everything, new partners, new colleagues. And I was going to fulfill my dream. And it's a dream that I believe many educators start off with, and that is that they want to make a difference in education. They want to build a better world through education. It's still my dream. It's what I desperately hope for. I recognize that this is also what drives so many educators and the Learn team in particular. It is not without some discouragement that I look around and realize that in truth, nothing much has really changed since 1972. In our high schools, we still see many teachers standing in front of the classes, lecturing, doing the same things, working off preps from previous years. There are islands here of hope and optimism, but generally it's still fill them up with facts they can remember just long enough to pass an exam. So that's discouraging. Einstein said, education is what remains after you've forgotten everything you learned at school. There's a lot of truth to that. I mean, how much do you remember of some of the details and facts that you had to prepare for in exams? What you did learn were all those other things that somehow or other maybe came in between the exams and in the learning situations. There are times when I stand on the precipice of utter cynicism when I look over the educational landscape. I know those who have simply given up and lost faith in the possibilities. Change is hard and it's cruel and it's an unforgiving taskmaster. But we have to continue to believe that it can and will happen. We have to believe that change is possible. Walt Whitman said that if you look at the sun and let the shadows fall behind you, you can move forward. And that's the way we have to do things. As I said, we can't let negativity rule our lives. And that makes so much sense to me. So keep believing as educators that you can change the world for the better, that you can make a difference. Because quite frankly, if you don't do it, who will? This year, Learn will continue to build on its accomplishments. We'll continue to work with our educational partners to inspire, to support, and to be an important part of that effort to make a difference in the lives of our students and of our community. I wish you all a great 2022-23. Count on us, call on us wherever and whenever you can. I wish you good luck and good health.